Welcome to Brain Vision.
This question, a particle moving on this spiral which is drawn here, and the relation between r and theta which is given, and which is equals to r equals to beta e to the power theta square upon 2. So basically we have to determine the velocity, and to determine velocity we have to differentiate with respect to time and with respect to velocity and theta and direction. So age r is this one, so r dash will be nothing but b e to the power theta square upon 2 into theta, because 2 theta is 2 theta upon 2, so this will theta and theta dash. And so the radial component of there is a two component of velocity, radial and transverse. So the v radial will be nothing but r differentiation of r, this one, so this will become just b e to the power theta square upon 2 theta and theta dash, and v tangential will be r theta dash. So r is just given, which is b e to the power theta square upon 2 theta dash. So as v theta is vr plus v theta, and so v will become nothing but b e to the power theta square upon 2 into theta dash, and er is the just the unit vector in the direction of the radial velocity, and plus b e to the power theta square upon 2 into theta dash e theta. And just we have to calculate the magnitude of velocity. V magnitude will be nothing but root over vr square plus v theta square. So this basically become root over b e to the power theta square upon 2 theta dash square plus b e to the power theta square upon 2 into theta dash square. This is the magnitude of velocity.